today on my little blog that I'm starting to like to do, I seen this badass woman, Nicole Murphy, doing a workout video. Now, I've seen a lot of women do workout videos, but this chick motivated the hell out of me. So I decided I'm gonna start my little workout today. I got my little gym stuff on, you know, got my little sweat stomach thing on, and I'm gonna start doing this whole workout thing, man. Try to get in shape, man. Try to raise these guns up a little bit. But the other thing I want to talk about was I finally got a resolution on this car and all the problems that it had. And basically, and I posted a little email from the attorney, was first they offered me $3,000 attorney fees and $500 for me. That's GM. That's what they offered. And I was like, man, whatever. And of course, the attorney was like, yeah, no, that's just the way it is. But long story short, they were going to go for $3,000 attorney fees, $10,000 cash for my inconvenience and trouble and all of that. And it was going to take like another 4 or 5 weeks. So I counter offer with, look, it ain't even about the money. It's the disrespect that they showed by not even considering replacing the car, you know, and the disrespect they showed for trying to fix it and doing poor quality work. That's what it was about. So I told her, look, offer them $3,500 cash for me, for my trouble and inconvenience and attorney fees, and I'll call it good. At that point, I done hit them up for excuse me, quite a bit of money. So they didn't make no money on the deal. I ain't make no money on the deal. Everybody came out even. The car's fixed. You know, it still shifts. You know, they fixed all the little nick-nanny that they messed up, and it's still under warranty. The car seems to be running great. So I got an option now. I can either trade it, sell it. Still gonna lose money, but whenever you buy a car is not a winnable purchase. You're not gonna make money on a car. The best you can do is hope that you break even, but chances are you're not gonna even do that, and I understand that. So I put a little $3,500 in my pocket. I mean, we hit, between the attorney, me, and all the repairers they did, they basically out of a lot of money. Was that my goal? No. But since I wasn't gonna get any other kind of satisfaction from what I consider a defective car, would just the paint quality alone is enough to just piss you off. It's like, how can you put a car out there like that with those paint defects, and you got multiple cars out here like that? It just baffles me, man. If they would have did that on what's another Chevy car, let's say the Malibu, and it had some paint defects, which, by the way, from me looking at a lot of Chevy cars, I haven't seen one Malibu with a paint defect. So maybe it's the fact that what this car is made, the material is hard to paint. I get that. But still, this is your top of the line vehicle. It may not be your money maker, but it's your namesake. It's what you put out there. It's what everybody knows you for. Corvette. How in the hell are you gonna release even 3 cars with paint defects? No, it should be 0. But in any case, it's a done deal. I'm gonna walk away with, you know, $3,500 in my pocket. That's enough to buy me a couple of sodas and some other stuff. Maybe go out on a date with somebody and just chill. But that's the end result of the whole Corvette defect fiasco. And I haven't decided. I mean, A lot of people like it, like the car for the channel. I still like driving the car. I mean, it's a Corvette. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I am gonna go see what kind of trade-in I will get. One, because it'll make a nice video, and two, it's probably gonna be embarrassing the amount of money that they offer for this thing, because I bet you it's gonna be in the mid 40s right now, with 4,238 miles. It's been paint protected. I mean, it's probably gonna be about $48,000. And if it's something like 52, 53, and definitely something like 55, bye-bye Corvette. I couldn't run in that case. But I mean, if it's 48, something like that, and I come out better selling it on like eBay or something. For me to get rid of this car, I had to get at least 55 for it. And that would that put me in a nice position to, go get something else. But that's the end results of the whole Corvette fiasco. Still a good car. It's still super clean. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it's a vet. But in any case, I'm gonna go do this workout. I might vlog a little bit later, maybe do a food vlog, because we're going to check out this, I'm going to check out this sandwich shop. My daughter, of course, she ain't about it. So, in any case, more later on this vlog. Peace.